Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.9% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices held a near two-week low after dropping about 5% over the past two sessions, as investors absorbed OPEC's latest downward revision for demand growth, a stronger US dollar, and disappointment over China's latest stimulus plan. The US dollar rose to a near 5-month high against its major peers, buoyed by expectations of inflationary import tariffs from Republican President-elect Donald Trump, while Bitcoin paired gains from a record rally. Crypto exchange Coinbase has introduced a new benchmark for tracking over 50 digital assets, advancing its suite of products for traders and institutional investors overseas. The company unveiled the Coinbase 50 Index, covering major crypto coins and tokens listed on the exchange.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Investors should keep a close eye on the economic calendar for the days ahead, which features a mix of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event has the potential to influence trading decisions and shift market dynamics, making it vital to stay informed. With these updates in mind, it's crucial for investors to adjust their strategies accordingly. The days ahead may see market responses that align with or deviate from expectations.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.